Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet before we get started. While you may fully appreciate the importance of including exercises in your own weight loss plan, you may not know how to get started. For beginners, there is a plethora of affordable exercising equipment like exercise balls, weights, etc. which can help you get started on the right note. If you are on a tight budget and looking for more affordable exercising options, you may look at several instructional workout DVDs etc. which can be bought at rates which are not very expensive. The other option is to visit your local gym or fitness centers located in your neighborhood. Though there are several with steep membership fees, there are also more affordable ones. It is important to remember that most fitness clubs these days work with flexible hours, making it possible for you to do exercises before, after and even during lunch breaks in your work. When you are starting out with your exercising plan, remember that you need not spend a fortune on expensive treadmill, etc. It could be done in a far less expensive way, like going for a walk or taking the stairs every time you have to climb some story. If you feel that exercising alone would turn boring sooner than later, find an exercising buddy, and this person can keep you motivated throughout your entire weight loss schedule. Having a workout buddy means that you are likely to go through the entire routine of exercises and achieve your weight loss goals according to schedule. Frankly, there is no better alternative than exercises to lose weight in a healthy manner. As shown above, there are plenty of ways you can incorporate several exercises in your weight loss plan, and you would always find the ones that are best suited to you.